Billing platform honest review. Watch before using. Most people get billing software wrong. They assume invoicing is simple, but managing subscriptions and complex accounts is tricky. The surprising truth about billing platform is that it automates billing, manages subscriptions, and provides analytics, and you won't believe how much time it can save finance teams. Here's how it works. Billing platform handles recurring billing, one-time invoices, usage-based charges, and multi-currency transactions. It integrates with CRM and ERP systems, ensuring seamless revenue management and reporting. For example, a SaaS company can automatically bill customers monthly, apply discounts, manage renewals, and generate detailed financial reports. Most people get this wrong. They think manual spreadsheets are sufficient, but billing platform reduces errors, improves efficiency, and ensures compliance. Additional features include revenue recognition, tax calculation, audit trails, and self-service portals for customers. Users praise the software for flexibility, automation, and scalability for growing businesses. However, there are considerations. Setup can be complex, and pricing depends on the number of accounts and features. Most people assume billing software is generic. Billing platform is designed for sophisticated subscription and recurring revenue models. In conclusion, billing platform is ideal for companies with complex billing needs, recurring revenue, or subscription-based models seeking reliable automation and financial control. Subscribe for more honest reviews of fintech and billing platforms.